Hello guys, welcome to Study Forest. In today's video, I want to share with you a simple strategy, very powerful beginner strategy for scalping boom and crash. You'll be using this to scalp boom 1000, crash 1000, boom 500 and crash 500 respectively. You can use this strategy even if you have a zero experience in trading. All you need to do, you follow the instruction, the checklist that I'll be sharing with you. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you how to set up your indicators, the best time frame to use, the zoom level for you to use, where to take profit and where to put your stop loss in this video. So let's go into first the setting up of our indicator. I already have my indicator set up, so I'm going to delete it. So as a beginner, your chart will look like this. All you need to do, if you click on this point, you'll get your N icon, which is for your indicator. Tap anywhere on your screen, this cycle will pop up, then you click on this. Okay, so I will click on this now. So when it appears like this, you click on this point, your F plus, for you to get your indicator set up. I just click on it. Then you can see various indicators. I'll be using the Bollinger Band. So I will click on Bollinger Band. Now this is the setup. Your own, you will be having a default setup of 120. So all you need to do is you edit it to 130. And this is 130. When you have done this, you click on Save. Okay, then you click on F plus again for the second time. And then you go and select your relative strength index. When you come to a relative strength index, this is how it will look like. This is the default setting of the relative strength index. So all you need to do, you edit this setup, you change the period to 6, you apply to close, then you change this blue color to your background color. My background is white, so my color is going to be white. Then you come to your level and you edit this level. We are going to have level 90 and level 10. Okay, now when you open, initially you have only 2 levels. So for you to add more level, what you need to do, you click on this plus sign and it will give you more options. I will click on it now. You can see a new space does pop up. So I'm going to add my levels now. 50, 20 and 80. So in the pixel, I'll change it to 2 pixels and I'll change the color to black. Then I will go back and I will click on save. All right, then I'll come to my, this time around I'll be clicking on this indicator window F plus. So I will click on it and I want to add my MACD. This is my MACD and this is the default setting of the MACD. So what I will do, I will only change the pixel. On the first pixel, I will click on it, I will change it to 2 and then I will change the color to this. Then on this signal line, I'm going to change the color to blue and I will change the pixel to 3 and I'll click on save. Good. So this is my chart. My chart is set up just as you can see. So what we need to do, we want to get the zoom level. So we'll be using the 3 zoom level. So when you zoom out completely, this is how, when you zoom in completely, this is how your screen will look like. Then now you begin to zoom out. This is zoom level 1. This is zoom level 2. And this is zoom level 3. So this is the zoom level we will be using. And your screen position should be at the first leg of your M. This M for time frame, that is where your screen position should be. Okay, as you can see, my screen position is at the first leg of my M. And what is the best time frame? The time frame you'll be using, this works on all time frame, either daily, 4 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes. But for the purpose of scalping, you'll be sticking to 5 minutes and 15 minutes. But I recommend you stick to 15 minutes in order to avoid false signal. And what do we do? Our indicator is set up. Now here is our criteria. For us to sell boom 1000, our first condition, we want to see the price spike up to the upper Bollinger Band. And when we are referring to upper Bollinger Band, we are referring to this. So we want to see the price spike up to this upper Bollinger Band. The price pierces through it to the outside of the upper Bollinger Band. That is indicator number 1. Then number 2, we want to see our MACD histogram line Okay, all this you are seeing are the MACD histogram line. So we want to see the MACD histogram line. Our MACD histogram line should be at the level of 80 and above, between 80 and 90. That is where we want to see our MACD histogram line. As you can see, you see the line pierce above 90, 80 level. And then secondly, we are going to wait for price to close back inside the Bollinger Band with 4 candle formation. Now what we are saying in essence is this price, we want to see this price. This is the price that went out of the Bollinger Band. Let the price come inside and close inside of the Bollinger Band with at least a 4 candle formation. So this is 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candle, the 4th candle. Of having closed 4 candles closed inside my band. The essence of the close of this candle is to create a room for us to place a stop loss above our high. So now the candles have closed below the stop loss and below the band. And then condition number 4, wait for the histogram line and the signal line to drop below 80 level of the RSI. This is what we are referring to. This is the signal line. So all this signal, the histogram line is the red line you are seeing. Let this red line drop to below 80 level, just as you can see, below 80 level. And then let the signal line close below 80 level. The signal line of the MACD, which is the blue line, it closes below the 80 level. Okay? And once this has been confirmed and established, you can now make your sell entry. Your stop loss is above your high, and you will take profit. Your first take profit is when the signal line reaches 50 level, which is the blue line. Once you get to 50 level, that's your first take profit. Your second take profit should be when you get to 20 level. And you can see, look at how this plays out. So it means when the price got to this point, this would have been our entry point. Here now is our entry point. This is our stop loss. And you can see how it plays out beautifully. Okay, this is for boom, and let's look more for more signal, as the case may be. Okay, there are instances in which these things plays out, even if it did not pierce the upper Bollinger Band. Just like in this scenario, it did not pierce the upper Bollinger Band, but you can see how it plays out. So in that scenario, it did not close inside. It did not go out for us to wait for it to close, but it means you'll be focusing on the condition of our histogram line. You see it as 90. You allow it to close below the 80 level of the RSI, and then you allow the MACD signal line to close as well below that, and then you make your entry. You can see this. Okay, you can see how it keep playing out. This plays out perfectly. You can see it here. So you can backtest this on and on and on, and then see how it plays out. This is for boom. Let's look at a crash example. Okay, we have an example here, and on this particular one, what is our condition? We want to see price piercing the lower band, and then here price pierces the lower band, and we want to see our MACD histogram line at the level of 10, between 20 to 10, and here we have it. Then now we want to see the candle closes inside the Bollinger Band back with at least 4 moves. You can see it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will want to see the MACD histogram line closes above our 80 level of the RSI. You can see that close of those line, and then the signal line of the MACD closes above the 20 level, and after that we could have made our entry here, right? And you can see how it plays out. So you take profit when the MACD signal line get to 50. That is your first take profit. So this thing works. It works perfectly well. You can backtest it. Let all of these conditions be met. As you're watching the video, now write down the conditions. You can see this, and you can see how it plays out. So you can go on and on to backtest all of this. This thing also can be used in trading volatility. It can be used in trading the currency pair. In the subsequent video, I'll be sharing with you the tricks. There is a little tricks when you want to use it to trade volatility and currency pair. There is a little twist about how you can go in trading that. But for boom and crash, it is straightforward, and this is all you need to do. So please go through this, watch this, back test it on your chart, and practice it on your demo account. Then you can go live with it. I believe you have learned something new from this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notification bell. See you in the subsequent video.